Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning class. As you know, our third chapter is going on, and we have discussed the topic terms and facts of subtraction, and we have also done exercise 3a. Today we will do exercise 3b after 3a. So, children, like yesterday, this exercise also you will do in your fair copy only. So, let's see the question. It is subtract the following. So children, as you know, we always start from the place of ones. So we will subtract first ones here. 8 minus 3 is 5. Now 1 is less than 2. 1 2 से छोटा है, then it will borrow 1 from 7. 7 will give 1 और ये 11 हो जाएगा. Now 11 minus 2 is 9. Now here when 7 has given one number, then how much number is it is left at the place of 100? 6 is left. 7 ने जब एक दे दिया तो यहाँ पे 6 बचा. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. Again here 4 minus 7 नहीं हो सकता because 4 is less than 7 and we will borrow 1 from 2. So 4 will become 14 and 14 minus 7 is 7. This by mistake I have written. Now here 2 ने जब इसको 1 दे दिया तो ये क्या हो गया 1 हो गया. Now 1 is less than 3, so it will borrow 1 from 6. अब यहाँ पे 11 हो जाएगा. अब 11 minus 3 is 8. Now 6 ने जब 1 दे दिया तो 6 के पास क्या बचा 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. इसी तरह 1,87,195 is the answer. Okay children. Now question number 2. We will start. 6 minus 9 नहीं हो सकता because 6 is less than 9. So it will borrow 1 from 9. So 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Here 9 ने जब इसे 1 दे दिया तो क्या रह गया यहाँ पर 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 2 हो सकता है because it is more than 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. Clear? Now question number 3. 8 and 4 is given, so 8 is more than 4, it can be minus. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Again 4 and 9 is given. 4 is less than 9, so it will borrow 1 from here. So it will become 14. 4 will become 14 and 14 minus 9 is 5. अब 1 इसने इसे दे दिया. Then how much left here? 0. 0 minus 7 can never be done. So it will borrow 1 from 6. 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. अब 6 ने इसे एक दे दिया तो क्या बचा 5. 5 minus 8 can be done. So 5 will borrow 1 from 9. It will become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 9 ने जब इसे एक दे दिया, so he what left here 8 is left. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Then 7 minus 4 is 3. Now next question number 4. 8 minus 3 5. 6 minus 6 0. 7 minus 5 2. Again 2 minus 8 can't be done. So 2 will borrow 1 from 5. It will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 5 will become 4. 4 minus 7 also. 4 is less than 7. So 4 will borrow 1 from 7. 7 will become 6 and 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. Now question number 5 is 6 minus 9. 6 is less than 9. 6 will borrow 1 from here. 6 will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 1 will become 0. 0 will take borrow 1 from 7 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Now 7 will become 6. 6 minus 8 cannot be done. So 6 will take 1 from 6 and 6 will become 5. Here 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 0 5 only. 9 minus 7 is 2. Question number 6 now. 0 minus 4 cannot be done. So 0 will borrow 1 from 8. It will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now 8 will become 7. 7 minus 0 will be 7 only, because when we minus 0 from the any number, the number itself will be the answer only. So 1 minus 2 here, 1 is less than 2, 1 will borrow 1 from 5. So it will become 11 and 5 will become 4. 11 minus 2 is 9. Now 4 minus 7 can't be done. So 4 will borrow 1 from here. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here जब 1 ने इसे दे दिया एक, तो it will become 0. It has remained 0 here, and 0 minus 6 cannot be done. So 0 will borrow 1 from 8. It will become 10, and 8 will remain 7. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 7 minus 7 is 0. Clear? Question number 7 now. 8 minus 3, 5. 0 minus 3 cannot be done. 0 will borrow 1 from 7. So it will become 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now here 6 is remained. So 6 minus 9 cannot be done. 6 will borrow 1 from 5 and it will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now 5 will remain 4 only. 4 minus 7 cannot be done. 4 will borrow 1 from 4 from this 4, 10,000 place, and it will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7 only. 4 will become 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. Clear? Question number 8. 3 minus 6 cannot be done. So 3 will borrow 1 from 9. It will become 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 9 will become 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Again 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 3 cannot be done. 2 is less than 3. 2 will borrow 1 from 5 and it will become 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 5 will remain 4. 4 minus 7 cannot be done. 4 will borrow 1 from 7. It will become 14 and 7 will remain 6 only. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. So children, आप क्या देख रहे हैं इन सब क्वेश्चन में कि जहाँ जहाँ हमें ज़रूरत पड़ रही है वहाँ हम उसके बगल वाले एक नंबर आगे कह सकते हैं, उससे हम उसे बोरो ले रहे हैं. 1 नंबर वी आर बोरोइंग एंड वी आर डूइंग द सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस में जबकि हमारा माइन्यूएंड सब्ट्राहेंड से छोटा होगा, देन वी विल बोरो. हम कैसे समझेंगे कि हमें बोरो करना है या नहीं? जब हमारा माइन्यूएंड सब्ट्राहेंड से छोटा होगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे माइन्यूएंड क्या है, 3 है, और सब्ट्राहेंड क्या है, 6 है. सो 3 इज़ लेस देन 6. यहाँ पे 3 जो है वो माइन्यूएंड इज़ लेस देन सब्ट्राहेंड. सो 3 विल बोरो 1 फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट नंबर. जैसे कि 1s ने 10 से बोरो किया, 10s ने 100 से बोरो किया, ऐसे होता है. सो तभी हम पहचान पाएंगे कि हमें कब बोरो करना है और कब नहीं. जब हमारा माइन्यूएंड छोटा होगा सब्ट्राहेंड से तो हमें बोरो करना है, और अगर बड़ा होगा तो हमें बोरो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. You can see 2 minus 7. 2 can't be minus from 7. So 2 will borrow 1 from 4. It will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 will remain 3. 3, 5. 3 is again less than 5. So 3 will borrow 1 from 7. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 will remain 6. 6 minus 7 cannot be done. So 6 will borrow 1 from this 6. 6 will become 100. 6 will become 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now 6 remain 5 because it has given 1 to another. 5 minus 8 cannot be done. So 5 will borrow 1 from 3. 5 will become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 will remain 2. 2 minus 5 also cannot be done. So 2 will borrow from 8. 2 will become 12 and 8 will remain 7 here. 12 minus 5 is 7 and 7 minus 6 is 1. Now children, in this question, in this exercise, question number 10, 11 and 12 is your homework. Question number 10, 11 and 12 are homework you have to do in your fair copy. Clear? If you will have any query, then you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.